If you want to send money using the Lulu Money app, this video is for you because honestly, Lulu Exchange is one of the most popular money transfer services in the Middle East, and sending money through the app is very easy. First, download and open the Lulu Money app, then log in or create your account using your mobile number and personal information. Once inside the app, select Send Money. Next, choose the country where you want to send the money and select the recipient. If it's your first transfer, you'll need to add a new beneficiary by entering their full name, bank account details, or mobile wallet information, depending on the destination country. After that, enter the amount you want to send. The app will automatically show the exchange rate, transfer fees, and the amount the recipient will receive. Review all the information carefully and then confirm the transfer using the payment method linked to your account. Once the transaction is completed, you'll receive a confirmation and tracking reference that you can use to monitor the transfer. Most transfers are processed quickly, although delivery times can vary depending on the country, the bank, and the selected transfer method. So, to summarize, open the Lulu Money app, select Send Money, choose the destination country, add the recipient, enter the amount, review the details, and confirm the transfer. Because honestly, sending money internationally with Lulu Money only takes a few minutes once everything is set up.